Alright everybody, so today our anniversary. We do one video today. You'll soon see that soon we are going to upload it. And yeah, so we are go out and go eat some food for we anniversary. We almost a birthday. I don't know where that one they come from. So I'm sure I never have a birthday but my mind a while ago. So we just leave out, you know.
Yep.
We're going to hit the road. Eat some Jamaican food.
It's crazy, we eat Jamaican food every day and we're going to eat Jamaican food.
Yes, and I really eat fish at festival and something. So some of that we're going to eat and we're not going to long for it.
Yeah, that's what smell fish today and feel for fish.
Exactly. Pass your house and stink of fish.
Smell fish, fish smell nice and not stink, you know,
no,
stink
when
of
we say
fish.
stink of fish, it means, you know, the aroma.
Yeah, smell nice so they know more fish.
Then now, so now we got it for your anniversary in 2014.
Anniversary, do you go there for?
Yeah, around no, Valentine's.
Something we went there for.
Valentine's 2014. Nice restaurant man.
Yeah.
Prepare things, then we just order what you want and prepare it for you. And you get it hot and fresh off by fire, you know. Fry fish, conch soup and all and something. They sell everything like that, you know.
Yeah.
Everything
Nice.
what you want, there's a festival, rice and peas.
You can't prepare that. Me couldn't prepare that home, even though a Jamaican food, so.
Yeah, it's like they take time out and do it
Nice.
properly, you know. Like a nice cuisine, you know.
Yep.
Alright, so we're there on the way and we can see up on the road, they say it get dark too.
Yeah, dog.
After eat, you know.
Thank God for the light saving, we still have a little bit of light.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, 7-year anniversary today,
Yep.
22nd of August.
Yep.
2011 to 2018.
Yep. Yeah.
Long time that, not true?
Yeah, we get old.
I get old. Well, me not say me get old now because me just me even 38, you know, we have a long life live ahead of me.
And me still look the same, I don't know about you.
Me going to put on a little bit more weight since the time, I don't really see
Fat.
a difference. I'm not fat. Just my body is...
Woman can say man fat, but man can say woman fat.
I'm not fat. You call me fat, I'm not fat.
Okay, I can say so.
Which part of me fat? Yeah, people, so we're there on the road again. We are driving a while now. We're close to the destination now. Soon reach where we are going now. The restaurant where we are going, you know?
Yeah, we almost reached.
Just a couple minutes away.
And I'm hungry.
After this traffic, in the time of night, everyone's busy, so see.
Always busy.
Always
People
busy,
always
you know?
up on the road. All 12 o'clock at night, people up on the road.
No time, you don't get no free, no freedom as a man on the road sometimes. People are not stay there in yard.
People don't sleep.
Yeah.
This is a country that never sleep. Well, I'm hungry. I can't wait to reach. I don't think this.
Next turn up that stuff.
Yeah, there's the. Yeah, I think it's right. You're right here. Yeah. Then we don't want to get lost again. We're not supposed to get lost years ago. We pass here, so even when we not come at the place, so.
Yeah.
I pull up, you know.
You can see we are driving in the plaza now.
Parking not even there here.
I think we see a spot, we'll probably go on the side there.
But go far. Oh yeah, parking around here, so if we park far. At first we ever come here and there's like no parking on the front side. So we can park over here. We park over here, so?
Let me get back in.
Maybe. I mean,
Just going as a front way.
yeah.
Yeah, people, so we just reached the outside and now we'll take the time and walk, go in, see if we can go order something and eat some food, you know?
Yep.
Yeah.
See, like, when I eat from there.
Yeah.
Oh god.
So if you like, you know, eat from there and eat 10 times today already.
I did not eat 10 times today.
Probably more than 10 times for not 10 then.
Really? I wish I
Yeah.
ate 10 times.
Whole day she eat.
Oh really?
Of course.
What you
Look on your
talking
belly. How big? Look at
Shut up! What you expect?
I eat whole day in your belly.
Look
Can't
on
full.
your belly.
And belly flat people, see them?
Yeah,
No
sure.
belly, look on the front side with no belly.
Shut up. You know the point. Is it? Yeah,
Yep.
that's it.
Alright people, so we reach where we are going now. We are going to order some food and thing, you know. Yeah people, we reach where we are going now. See inside the place a kinda yeah, little music and something same way, you know. Going on a little preview. Yeah. We wait here so now, we'll sit down and wait till somebody come take with order and thing, you know. Yeah man. So we are sit down and so now and chill, and when food time ready and we order and thing, we kinda go now and another preview again, alright? Alright everybody, same menu here. We have video we thing, do we thing. You see me?
You want video me?
Whole heap of things they have to choose from, so same menu here. When you get the plate, go down next peep again. If you see cover where we have seafood, fin and things the place name. So when you see name you know say a fish you have to deal with fin. So we order and then when the plate come we go now preview. Alright people, so we just make the order with the food.
It's gonna take forever.
Yeah, chill now we know say it take a while and they have to go prepare it from scratch.
That's the beauty about it. But
yeah, get the food nice and fresh, although we have to wait a while. But we're not really business about that. We just think about so we get some nice food.
I think about what the food tastes like. I don't know what matter, but me hungry.
We know it tastes nice already. So
Yeah, we know the taste time. We just want to know.
just
So
wait and see. Yeah, food soon come in, man. So the plate when the boat land, as you know, say when the boat land, then we gonna look on our plate and everything, make you see.
yeah, it's gonna be nice.
You understand? It gonna look nice and everything, man. Yeah. Alright everybody, so we get with food, we are gonna preview, we have a fried fish
Oh, nice.
with some veggies and everything from it, escovitch sauce, rice and peas,
Nice fruit punch juice.
some of them, yeah, so. See, 1.5 fish and one fish, no people, one big 1.5 fish, all the tail you get. Rice and peas and with festival, so I go eat and have a ball with this tonight. Somebody I go ball, you see pepper look. Really Jamaican pepper cut up in it. Fire this.
Yeah, hot, but it's just the sauce that's hot. The fish don't hot.
No, it's just the pepper them. So you have
Yeah.
to eat the pepper if you get burned, you know. So
And
you know,
it's,
say me,
it kind of nice.
yeah,
The
me like the pepper because I love
carrots.
spice.
Yeah,
Love spice.
you love that.
Yeah, so we're gonna dig into that now, people. We're gonna see when we're ready to leave and when we're done with this, we can see empty plate.
Oh yeah, we already got
Prepare for the
salad.
food now.
As a matter of
So we eat
fact,
off the salad.
how we eat stuff and forget to show because we're hungry. Couldn't wait. So we're gonna dive in now.
So peace out. Peace out now. We're gonna eat some food. Take care of this, you know. Alright.
Just eat.
We have seen a couple food now, you know.
So they don't go anywhere. I was at the house. So, you know, I love the beach, so I went down to the beach. I take them to the beach. That was the first time I took them to the beach. I went to the beach.
This rice is nice. I don't even need gravy.
Full of pepper.
Yeah. I already had this to eat the kind.
Spicy people look on her face. Pepper burn him.
I was gonna say at
Pepper burn her up at there. Drink some of my drinks, man. Pepper kick her off and now.
well, you don't give me
People,
this spot left.
as you see in this pan, we have everything done. I'm now giving them to take a little plate and glass, you know.
And
See, yeah, it's
and I mean it I did be hungry. Actually, Mr. Smelly food and my belly full. Well, later I'm go home, I know I'm hungry again still.
So later food that she go eat because she can't eat half enough. So you can see me eat on my belly.
Like,
Yeah, you know.
you could eat my one too.
Home by the time I go now, man, me the band age and I'm not eating much, you know. Home, just drink some water and relax, you know. Yeah, man. Enough movie night.
Yep.
Yeah, people, so We done it you know and they are chillax, you know. Very
Yeah.
full you know.
It's
Full.
Until she reach home. She reach home is a different thing there.
I'm full.
You say hungry. When I was hungry, I was saying peckish.
When I was a peckish,
When
I was
somebody peckish, you know,
hungry.
they know a little bit there, but she are peckish different.
When I was peckish, I was hungry. Just drink some tea. That's it.
So you know, eat the fish tonight or tomorrow.
I eat the fish tonight. I don't want that to burn my stomach. I drink some tea and call it. I eat some crackers. Tea and
People eat off my
crackers.
fish and pepper and everything eat off already.
Greedy.
So,
And when we see food, I say, but this a food a little bit. A little bit of rice. You know, they serve for a restaurant. One serving, correct serving, but
last time they say in Jamaica that the food gets slap way. The slap way plate lamp time. You see plate even there again, the plate gone. People ain't take up here already, they're afraid of it.
really, you're afraid to eat the plate.
Yeah, people, so just leave out the restaurant now. You can see we have moved low, give it belly full. Belly full and
I can't move.
laziness kicking in after your belly full, you know.
Oh gosh.
So you're not good to eat too much.
Yeah.
You eat a bag of fish and festival and rice and peas
You eat a bag of
and all that something.
But I love my food not finished yet. I'm full.
Yeah man, me not left, me not eat all left, you know.
Well,
Yeah man, me eat up everything.
my belly don't have space to hold up a food.
Everything done. So we go home now, you know. Chillax a little bit.
Yep.
Yep. We get up early morning again for the little one go to school, you know. Yeah man. Yep. Anniversary number 7 that. Number 7. And the boat down.
Yep.
Somebody what they say?
I'm
Can't
sleepy.
put on the seatbelt today.
Leave me alone.
You can't put on the seatbelt.
I wanna go sleep.
Well, yeah, go now and go see if we can chillax, you know. Yep.